figured I'd slap together a few photos from today, fixing my speed sensor in the Super Sherpa. The one on the left with the two busted tabs laying beside it is what happens when you over tighten the axle nut or don't align the tabs to the hub properly and tighten the axle nut and bust them off. The one on the right is the new one. It fits in that hub piece right there. That's the new speed sensor sitting in the hub. The two slots left and right are where the tabs on the magnetic speed sensor fit. I found it easier just with a bit of grease. It sat right in the slot. Magnetic cover over it. Slide the axle through into the threads on the far side of the fork, and then fit the axle cover and tighten it down rather than try and spin the magnetic sensor until the tabs lined up and hope that it fit. The manual calls for 65 inch-pounds for the axle and 82 inch-pounds for the axle cover. A 5-ton overhead crane makes this job a lot easier. Well, I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.